Hello dear students, I would like to welcome you all on the online platform of KTHM College Nashik. I am Mr. D.D. Zadav, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry. Students, in the previous session, we learned concept of adsorption, absorption, types of adsorption, and factors affecting adsorption. Now, today's lectures we would like to deal with the adsorption isotherm. Friends, today we discuss about Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Before going to the study of Freundlich adsorption isotherm, first of all, what is meant by adsorption isotherm? Now this adsorption isotherm, it is the curve obtained by plotting the graph of amount of substance adsorbed per unit mass of adsorbent against equilibrium pressure or concentration at constant temperature is called adsorption isotherm. Now here temperature constant and hence this is isotherm means temperature constant. If the gases are adsorbed on the adsorbent, then now this take the pressure and the solutes are, that means solution, that means the instead of pressure use these concentrations. Now here the adsorption isotherm means the curve obtained by plotting the graph of amount of substance adsorbed per unit mass of adsorbent against equilibrium pressure or concentration at constant temperature is known as adsorption isotherm. There are two types of adsorption isotherms. First, Freundlich adsorption isotherm and second is Langmuir adsorption isotherm. Now, first, today we discuss the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Now let us go to the Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Now, it is an empirical equation for the variation of the extent of adsorption with pressure at constant temperature over a limited range of pressure was put forwarded by scientist Freundlich in 1907 is known as Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Now here the variation of extent of adsorption with pressure at constant temperature. Now the Freundlich adsorption isotherm mathematically expressed as x by m is equal to kp to the power 1 by n. Now this is equation number 1, where x is the mass of gas adsorbed, m is the mass of adsorbent, x by m is mass of gas adsorbed per unit mass of the adsorbent, p is the equilibrium pressure, and now k, small k and small n are the empirical constant. It depends on nature of adsorbent, adsorbate and temperature. Now this n is always greater than 1, therefore the amount of adsorbed gas increases less rapidly than the pressure. Now this is the mathematical equations or mathematical form for this Freundlich adsorption isotherm x by m is equal to Kp raised to 1 by n. Now in case of adsorption of solute from a solution, x by m, now this equation 1 becomes the x by m is equal to Kc raised to 1 by n. Now this is equation 2, where C is the equilibrium concentration of the adsorbed substance in the solution, x is the mass of solute adsorbed. Now in previous lecture we learned this. Now here the acetic acid and charcoal systems. Charcoal is the adsorbent, acetic acid is adsorbate, means this solute. The equation for solution, solute from a solution, x by m is equal to Kc raised to 1 by n. Now the equation 1 may be tested graphically in the following way. The shape of the curve is approximately parabolic in nature. Now plot the graph. See this equation 1. Plot the graph x by m versus pressure P. The nature of the graph is like this. Now this is approximately parabolic in nature. Now here initially this is lower pressure, x by m is equal to Kp, means x by m is directly proportional to the pressure. Now here adsorption increases rapidly. Now then at intermediate, this is intermediate pressure, the x by m is equal to Kp to the power 1 by n. Adsorption increases slowly. Then at higher pressure, x by m is equal to constant, that is x by m is equal to K. The adsorption remains constant. Now this curve, here 3 regions. Now this is this lower pressure, this is intermediate pressure, and this is at higher pressure. Now this graph clearly shows that at lower pressure adsorption increases rapidly. Intermediate pressure adsorption increases slowly, and at a higher pressure adsorption remains constant. Means higher pressure there is no space available for the adsorption, and hence x by m is equal to K, that is constant. Now this, taking the log of both sides in the above equation 1, the log x by m is equal to 1 by n into log p plus log k. Now this is equation number 3. Now this equation is similar to the y is equal to mx plus c. Again plot the graph. See this log x by m versus log p. This log x by m versus log p. The nature of the graph is straight line. The nature of the graph is straight line with intercepts on y-axis. The intercept is equal to log k and slope is equal to 1 by n. Now this adsorption isotherm having some limitations. The first limitations, it is applicable to moderate or limited range of pressure or concentrations. Second limitations, it fails at higher pressure or concentrations. Means this adsorption isotherm is only applicable to the moderate or limited range of pressure or concentrations. Okay, stop here. Thank you.